Hi guys. So today I'm taking a nature walk. It's about 34 degrees out, extremely windy and cold. I just wanted to show you some of nature. Stuff like that twisty stick you see there. And over here, let me get a little closer. This is the kind of stuff that I will use to make magical items like magic wands, walking sticks and canes. So I take my nature walks because I can't get enough of nature. Take my pets with me, and which are like my children. And I just wanted to show you how beautiful the woods is. And it's so peaceful. And I've been getting over a cold for the last 2 weeks. Seems like it's never going, but it's slowly going away. And I believe it will, so it will. Anyway, that doesn't stop me from walking in the woods. And here comes my piggy. So, I have lots of dogs. However, I usually only bring 1 or 2 at a time because it can be quite overwhelming. So, what I wanted to do is take you into a patch here of the woods where the sassafras is, and I'm going to show you some sassafras. A little bit of education here. So, this is sassafras. This stuff, when you sand this or you try to debark it, it produces, I'm trying to scratch it so I can show you a little bit, a red dust. Okay? So if you get this to make magical items, just beware. You have to really soak it and scrape. There's another piece of sassafras. See how red that is? This wood has the best twisting abilities you will ever see, and when it's shined up, stunning. Here's another piece of sassafras. I'm trying to get, here it is. I've already cut down some of the dead pieces. I have this thing about not using stuff that hasn't already fallen. Nice tree. But I would never touch something like this. I would only get it if a storm had knocked it down or whatever. But anyway, just a quick video showing you guys the woods, how beautiful it is, walking on this beautiful day, and showing you some materials that I use when fallen. Like there's a fallen piece of sass. Only trouble with it is that if it has rot, I can't use it, but I could use it from there up because it's a pretty long piece. But I try to go for the twisties. Okay guys, in case you're looking for some wood to do some magical craft work, see, this is all sassafras land. And I have some gorgeous poles at home. I can do a video and show you later. Okay. Like and subscribe, guys. Love yous.